I enter the hospital. I enter the hospital. I talk to the receptionist. I fill out a form. I wait for my turn. I meet the doctor. The doctor checks my temperature. The doctor gives me medicine. I buy the medicine. I return home and rest. I return home and rest.